Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in AECS Service Tax Account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.cpicgst.gov.in. Then you will end up in this page where you can find the AECS. So simply tap on it and tap on AECS login. After doing this, type in your user ID, your password for your account, and type in the initials that are given right there. After you're done filling all the necessary credentials, all you need to do now is simply tap on the log on button. So once you tap on the log on or login button, you will get logged into your account. However, if you are an existing user, simply tap on unlock your account, and if you're a new user, tap on new registration for your creating of the account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.